Okay.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम यूएसए। और मैं आपको आपकी अटेंशन अपनी तरफ रखने के लिए, आप सब लोगों के लिए, आपने घबराना नहीं है। अगर मेरी कन्वर्सेशन इंग्लिश में हो और आपको समझ ना आए, I will give briefing for you, okay? Because I'm sitting with Professor Dr. Panos Zavos, who is world father of andrology. ये हमारी बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि जो आपके सवालात थे, जो आपके क्वेश्चंस थे, वो मैंने डॉक्टर ज़ेवोस को दिए और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपकी इसके बारे में, जो आप जानना चाहते हो, जो आप सुनना चाहते हो, जो आपके लिए आपका पैशनेट मोमेंट्स हैं, कि जो मैंने आपको कहा था कि व्हाट इज न्यू, व्हाट आई एम ब्रिंगिंग न्यू फॉर यू, व्हाट इज ब्रेकिंग न्यूज। आप मेरे साथ रहिएगा, इसको सुनते रहिएगा। मैंने आप लोगों के लिए कैप्शन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कुछ ऑडिशन में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था, तो आई हैव ट्राइड माई बेस्ट कि आप लोगों के लिए मैं कुछ ना कुछ वीडियो भी शूट करूं और उसको एडिट करके आप लोगों को दिखाऊं। लेकिन मैं थ्रू आउट कन्वर्सेशन विद प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर ज़ेवोस, आई विल बी विद यू। आपने मेरे साथ रहना है। आज का जो हमारा सफर है वो मैं आपके साथ साथ गुजारूंगी। आई नो ये बहुत देर हो चुकी है पाकिस्तान में, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि आप अफ्तारी तक जागेंगे, आप सहरी तक जागेंगे। ये वो कौम है जो सहरी में रोजा रख के सोती है, तो आई नो दिस थिंग। तो मेरे साथ ही रहिएगा, आज आपने कहीं इधर उधर नहीं जाना। वी हैव एक्साइटिंग न्यूज, वी हैव एक्साइटिंग डिस्कशन विद प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर पैनोस ज़ेवोस। हेलो डॉक्टर ज़ेवोस, how are you?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa
It's a pleasure to be with you. It's,
thank you so much.
Good to have you here.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank you on the behalf of Pakistani public, on the behalf of whole Pakistani nation, on the behalf of whole Muslim community, that you did a lot for developing countries. You did a lot for Muslim community. Because being a Muslim, we are desperate to have a baby with our own biological contents. We cannot opt sperm donation, we cannot opt ovum donation. So it is our compulsion that we are waiting to have our own biological child. So you did a lot. I really salute your efforts. I really salute you. And a lot of Pakistani people, they are during the preparation of their fast and they are praying for you a lot.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Listen, it is. I've been blessed to know and understand the limitations of every culture. I am all over the world, but the Muslim people are very unique in their own ways. Their religion puts an awful lot of restrictions in their ways of going about procreating, having a child. And I discovered that early enough, back in the early 1990s, when I helped the Middle East Fertility Society to be organized, because I figured that, and I knew then that the Muslims have a different way of approaching the treatment of infertility compared to the Western world.
Absolutely.
And because of that, we had to develop different criteria, different methodologies, different approaches, and it's the respect for the religion and the respect for the culture.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And I am an American, but also I am a world citizen. And I need to understand how the world functions, because the world has to function as one entity.
I am world citizen too.
Well, I welcome you to this world.
Yeah, I have changed my identity. I am the world citizen too.
Well,
because since
helps.
I am, because you know that you established world first biological center in Lahore, and since the establishment of that center, I have become the world citizen too, because lot of people across the globe, they are coming to that center with your reference, and they are getting all this treatment of biological parenting, and I am really delighted to serve them.
Of course.
Okay. I was, Dr. Zavos, actually I was thinking about this, that perhaps biological parenting is only need of Muslim. But I have seen a lot of Jews, a lot of Christians. They want their own babies, especially a lot of females. They are not ready to get another child who is not belonging to their biological, their own DNA.
Well, I come from that culture.
Yeah.
Although I am a Christian, I am also a Greek Christian. And our religion says the borrowing of the sperm and the egg from another man or another woman is not really a very favorable thing to have.
Yeah.
But I respect that. And because of that, I personally have children that only biological children to me
Yeah.
and my wife. And because of that, I believe that everybody should have that. Should have that as the number one choice.
This is the thing. This is the thing that you have conveyed to whole world. And you know, when first time I entered in your home, and I saw a church inside your home, and I asked you told me that this is your place where you pray, and I was really impressed by your personality. These are the things that people love you a lot. People of Pakistan, they love you a lot. I have learned many things from you regarding ethics, regarding, as you were telling me before, this is apart from our academic talk, that you were saying, okay, we can't tell any story that is not real.
Of course.
Don't tell any, don't give fake hopes.
Well, we have to be realistic. We're not car salesmen.
Yeah.
We don't sell cars. We sell lives. We make lives for people. And we need to be realistic about that. You know, we need to tell them the truth. We need to tell them what are our assets.
Yeah.
And in order for us to be able to help them, but also we have to tell them the liabilities or the limitations that we have. Because God gives us those powers to do the things that we do. And also God takes those things away from us if we don't do it right.
Absolutely, absolutely. Being a Muslim and being a Christian, I think so. If someone is Muslim, he is actually, first of all, he is accepting all the religions. He or she will have to accept Christianity, he or she will have to accept Jewish. So being a Muslim, I have my 4 quadrants inside. I am partially Christian, I am partially Jewish, I am partially everything, because this is my religious liability to accept all these things. There is no difference. It is just a modification of all these religions.
You cannot be put labels on people.
Yeah,
okay?
we cannot.
I mean, I am very proud that when I was in Beirut, Lebanon, some time ago, and Mr. Fadlallah, who is the spiritual leader of Hezbollah, found out and invited me to his office to meet with me.
Told me.
And I am the only American that he ever invited for him to visit with. And because of that, I take that as an asset. I take that as a privilege to be able to be recognized by a Muslim religious leader as the leader of Hezbollah, Mr. Fadlallah. And he kissed me on the way in and kissed me on the way out. Yeah. And we felt like that we had something mutually beneficial to offer to each other. So we put our religions apart, and we put people first.
Actual
people
religion,
is our business.
Dr. Zavos, actual religion, whatever the religion, number 1 top priority is humanity. Humanity is always at the top. So you are serving, I think so. I am really impressed by your personality regarding your humanity services. People used to say, oh my God, you both are business persons. Yes, we are. But people are, as you say, people are our business. Okay, we are winning their hearts. First of all, our business is to win their heart. Until unless you are not going to win the heart, your business is flop.
God put us on this earth to help each other.
Absolutely.
Okay, and we can't argue about that. Your God and my God says put people first.
Yeah.
And that's exactly why I'm saying that people is my business and the world is my market, because your God and my God tells me that.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, regarding your video, you will stop this?
This one?
Yeah, this one.